Assalamualaikum guys, welcome to Cook with Passion, my channel. Today I will tell you a recipe about this soft and spongy chocolate cake. So for this you will need 4 eggs along with 1 cup of sugar, and you will need to beat the eggs and sugar for 10 minutes. If you're using a hand beater, it will definitely take around 10 minutes to make a foamy texture, but if you're using a electric beater, it might take a bit of less time. And also, pro tip, the more foamy your egg and sugar mixture is, the more soft you will get your cake to be. So it's better if you mix it really well. And after this we will add some cocoa powder in quantity of 2 tablespoons and baking powder in quantity of 1 tablespoon, and we will add 1 cup of all-purpose flour and 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence. And also I forgot to add the oil in this step, so you need to add 1 cup of oil. I personally forgot, so I added later. And now you need to fold the batter, not mix it but fold the batter in one direction. That direction you start beating the batter in should be the direction you stop folding the batter in. You cannot change the direction, otherwise your cake will become hard as a rock. Now this is the step I add the cup of oil in, but you're supposed to add it before. And now we will grease our tray, dish or bowl, pan, whatever, with oil, and then we will pour our batter in. And also I'm using this dish because it is microwave safe, and this cake is gonna be made in a microwave. This is for those who don't have oven. And now we will put this in the microwave. So one thing is that we put this in the microwave for 6 to 7 minutes almost, but this really depends on what kind of microwaves you have. So after 4 to 3 minutes you need to check your cake to make sure it's not burned. Also, you will need to poke a toothpick in your cake, and if the cake sticks on the toothpick, means your cake is not baked and you need to bake it more, but if it doesn't, means it's okay. And we will also add milk to our cake to make it spongy and more soft. And now we are making the chocolate coating that goes on top of our cake. To make our chocolate coating, we need 1 cup milk, 3 tablespoons of sugar, 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder, 2 tablespoons of oil to give it a shine, 1 spoon of all-purpose flour, maida, mixed in 4 tablespoons milk. We will make it into a kind of syrup and then pour it into our chocolate coating. And now that our cake and chocolate syrup is ready, we are going to pour the chocolate syrup on top of the cake on a thin layer, and add chocolate sprinkles or chocolate chips, whatever you prefer as a topping. And then we're gonna let it cool for around like 20 to 30 minutes, and our cake is ready. It is so spongy and delicious and chocolatey as well. So if you want more recipes like this, make sure to subscribe to this channel. And also, if you tried this recipe, make sure to tell me in the comments how it was. See you next time. Bye and Allah Hafiz.